Welcome to Study Loop.
Alright, so we want to write an exponential model for this data. To write this, our h of t is going to equal a times b to the t power, where a is our zero term and b is our multiplier. First, we're going to figure out our multiplier. To figure out our multiplier, I'm going to use the points from our table 1, 14.352 and 4, 43.23. To figure out our multiplier, you take your 43.23 and divide it by the term that comes in front of it. And then when you take the nth root of it, where n is the difference in our x values. So our b value is going to be the third root of 43.23 divided by 14.352, which is 1.44. Another 4 because we want to round to 3 decimals. Now to figure out our a, I'm going to use this point here and plug it in for t and h of t. So I'm going to get 14.352 is equal to a times b to the first power. To figure out my a, I just have to divide both sides by 1.44. I'm going to get that my a value is 9.939. So my equation is going to be h of t is equal to a times b to the t power. Now if I want to estimate the number in 2016, since I'm talking about years since 1995, this means that my t is going to be 21, because that's 21 years. So I'm going to take 9.939 times 1.444 to the 21st power and get that we should be, the number of hosts is going to be 22,297.376 million for our number of TV hosts. Now if we want to predict when we will be at 951 million, this is going to be our h of t. So we're going to get 951 is equal to 9.939 times 1.444 to the t power. To solve this, first I'm going to divide everything by 9.939 so that these cancel, and I'm left with 1.44 to the t power is equal to 95.684. Then I can ln both sides and then divide everything by ln of 1.44. So I'm going to get that t is equal to ln of 95.684 divided by ln of 1.444. I'm going to get that t is 12, which means that we are 12 years from, we're talking about years from 1995. So to figure out what year, I need to take 1995 and add 12 years to get that it will be year 2007 when our number of hosts will be 991 million.